Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to get ChatGPT on your Apple Watch in just a few minutes. The easiest way is to download the PT app, or formerly known as Watch GPT, from the App Store. Just search for PT-AI Assistant on your iPhone or directly on your watch. Purchase it, and it'll automatically install on your Apple Watch as long as you're running Watch OS 9 or later. Once installed, open PT on your watch, tap the Ask Me Anything box, and either dictate or scribble your question. PT talks to ChatGPT and brings the answer straight to your wrist, with options to share via messages or mail. Want even faster access? Add PT as a complication on your watch face so you can launch it with a tap. If you prefer not to pay, there's also a free shortcut workaround. Install the official ChatGPT app on your iPhone. Create a shortcut using Ask ChatGPT with the Shortcuts app. Enable Show on Apple Watch, and voila! That's how you put ChatGPT right on your wrist. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials like this.